Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets not opening. If Google Sheets is not opening, don't worry, there are several quick fixes you can try to get it working again. So force close and reopen Google Sheets. So close Google Sheets app completely, then reopen it. If you're using a browser, close the tab and open Google Sheets again and see if that works. Next is to restart your device. So a simple restart can fix temporary glitches that may prevent Google Sheets from opening. Next is to update Google Sheets. So open App Store or Google Play Store, search for Google Sheet, then check if a newer version of Google Sheets is available. Installing updates can resolve bugs and compatibility issues. If you see an update button, just click on that to update Google Sheets. Once done, open it and see if that works. Next is to check for system updates. So make sure your phone, tablet, or computer is running the latest operating system version. So you can check that by going to Settings, then go to General, then go to Software Update, and see if you need to update your device. Next is to check your internet connection. So open Settings and open Wi-Fi, then turn it off for about 10 to 30 seconds and turn it back on, then connect to a stable internet connection or try switching to data and see if that works. Now, if you're using Android, try to clear the app cache. You can go to Settings, go to Apps, go to Google Sheets, then go to Storage, then tap Clear Cache, then reopen the app afterward and see if that works.